Hello and welcome to day 5 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Did you know who was the first person who tweeted on Twitter? It was Jack Dorsey, who was also the co-founder of Twitter. In 2006, he casually tweeted, "Just setting up my Twitter." And that marked the beginning of something massive. Every app begins with its first users. And today, we will make sure your app is ready for that. In today's video, we will discover how do you allow users to register on your portal. So, let's get started. To begin allowing users to register, let's create a new page. To create a new page, click on this one, add a new page, and page name can be register. Clone from, you can leave this empty and click on create. It creates a new blank canvas for us to play with. For today, we will do a very simple register process with just email ID and password. Because we want users to input the email ID and password, we will drag and drop two input elements. We will mention this as email and content format is email. Likewise, one more input element, and this time this is password, content format as password. So I'll just keep it one below the other and I'll get a button in place. And I'll say this as register. And we will make this as the same width as the top two input elements. When you mark an input element as email, Bubble ensures that the user inputs email format, that is with a @ symbol and a dot. If the user inputs just a text, then Bubble will not allow them to register. Same thing with password. When you make it as password, the text entered will not be shown and it will be encrypted. So now, how do we register the user? Click on this register and click on this add workflow. Once you come here, you can click on try the beta.
One eternity later.
Skip application assistant.
One eternity later.
Click on this and click on add workflow. You can see that we moved from design to workflows now. Click on this plus button, accounts, sign the user up. Now Bubble expects an email and password whenever a user needs to be registered. Let's search for the email, input emails value and passwords value. Once you do this, the user will be registered. Let's see this. Click on preview. It will take you to the register page and let's register user. abcd@rate7.com and password 12345. Register. You can see this line moving here, which means there is something running in the backend. So let's go over here. We have seen design, we just saw workflow. Let's go to data. Bubble by default creates something called user. We will look into what is data type and how do we manage it a bit later. We'll go to app data to see if the user was registered. You can see that abcd@rate7.com just now got registered. So that's all you have to do for allowing your users to register on your portal. Isn't that simple? Now you might have a question as to how do we allow users to sign up using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn or mobile numbers and so on and so forth. We will cover that in upcoming days. Let's understand the basic and build a strong foundation. And now you know how simple it is to allow users to register on the portal. Once you do the settings, your app is alive. Welcome your first users on board. You can try it for yourself or even better, invite your family, friends and colleagues to register on your portal. Tell them you're building an app and invite them to be a part of your journey. Tomorrow, we will discover how do we allow users to log out and log in back into the application. Until then, keep experimenting, have fun, and see you in the next one.